Do, re, mi, fa, Sohn Sisters Vlogs. Welcome to... What day is this in Korea? Fourth?
Today's Thursday.
The fourth day? Welcome to the fourth day in Korea. Yesterday we went to EVERLAND, which is an amusement park in Korea. And today we are going to Caribbean Bay, which is a water park in Korea. And it's right next to EVERLAND. Right now it's a bit raining, but we're trying to eat some brunch at Sohn near our hotel. Also, it's fine if it's raining because the water park is indoors and it's outdoors. Wow.
That's for me.
That dubu is so good. They handmade the dubu every day. The meal was so good. We ate it clean. It was delicious.
I'm sitting pretty in my sundress.
Wow, there's 6 floors of this water park. That's crazy. We have to go to the lockers because I guess we have to put our stuff in here, like shoes. They give us these keys too for our lockers. That's crazy. To get a locker, I had to speak in Korean and I was like flustered. I'm sweating. We got to hurry up and just go. So I wanted to buy the $50 bracelet so I can buy anything I want with this with the QR code, and then if I don't use it up, they'll just give me a refund back. So this is good to have. Alright, so the voice will be a little muffled because I put this phone in a waterproof pouch. And so we had to put our things in the locker and it looked like a sauna. Yeah. Like people were changing and were naked. And there was like a whole vanity area where people could do their makeup here, but it's a pool.
People were like doing their hair too.
It was crazy.
Makeup.
Let's go to the wave pool, Danbee. The water is so warm.
No, I could
Actually, it's not that warm.
It's not cold, but it's not like.
It's cold, Danbee.
Starting over the I don't got a second to waste.
That was crazy. Wow, there's a lot to do, and this is only the outdoor pool. There's a ton indoors too.
Cute bread.
It's raining. It's raining so hard. Oh my god. This is what we're trying to do. This blue one right here. Actually, that thing is 60 minutes long, and we don't want to wait. So we're gonna go indoors now. The water is so warm. We're on the lazy river. You want to float? Yeah. Let's go left. What? Yeah. I'm thinking this is the thing to do when it rains in Korea. There's a ton of people here. There are a lot more people than I expected here. Hi, Danbee.
the stop, I was like,
So there are 4 slides here, and only these 2 need a tube, and the line to get a tube is either 30 minutes for single or 60 minutes for double. So we're gonna go single. Yeah. There's like a line for everything here.
Catch me if you can, babe. I'm on a wave, I'm on my way to somewhere far away. Can't hit the brakes, but if you keep it back, I'll make a space. Stay a moment on my pillowcase. Moment on my pillowcase.
That's what we're gonna ride next.
Babe, on my way to somewhere far.
I'm scared for this one. So for one of the water slides, they make us take out our earrings, but I just got this piercing and I'm too scared to take it out because whenever I take out the first piercing, it's always like, it hurts and I'm too scared to take it out, so I'm not riding it, but I'm just waiting for Snuggums to come out. No way! She got stuck! Ah, that monkey! That monkey got stuck! Oh, that's so embarrassing! It went really fast, but then all of a sudden I stopped. We're back outside in the pouring rain. It's so cold. Inside is so warm. But we're trying to get on that blue one. Hopefully the line is lower. It's so cold. It's crazy. No way. It's still 60 minutes. We thought the rain would reduce the wait time, but it didn't reduce. Tommy's collecting some water in her bag. Crazy. That was so crazy.
every time we dropped, I felt myself getting out of my
I
seat.
know.
So tightly.
There were like 4 drops. I think I went backwards once. I went backwards on the big one. That was so scary. I didn't know what things were because water kept on splashing in my eyes.
I couldn't see.
It didn't take 60 minutes. It took like 20. Yeah. To get on. And we got hot dogs. And we got churros.
It tastes so good.
Starting over differently. Moviendo con intención de I don't got a second.
We're going on the double slide now. And we had to wait a long time for this one because when we first waited, the line was super long to get a tube. So we went back. But now we got a tube. On these stairs. That was crazy. Oh my god. So we just rode the dark one.
Yeah, it was
Oh my
so dark in there. I only saw like little like dots.
Yeah.
Little dots of light, but that's it.
There are like 4 jacuzzis here on the 5th floor. It's too hot. It's so hot. Oh, it's so nice. Oh my, it looks like a doll. Okay, we are done from playing in the water. It was so much fun, honestly. That place had a lot of things to do, right?
I'm so tired.
I got a refund of whatever I didn't use on the wristband. We got our shoes in the locker and then we dried up in the other locker. Right now we're walking back to get to the shuttle to take us to the hotel. And then we're gonna get dinner with my parents. While we were at that place, our parents went to this like Korean folk village. So they had fun too.
I'm sitting pretty in my sundress.
Yeah. Charcoal. I wanted to have some fun. Just looking at it makes my stomach growl. I'm so hungry I can't even think. Wow, it's glistening. We got naengmyeon, we got more gogi, and we got yukke. How was the food? The food was probably like a 10 out of 10. Honestly, it was a 10 out of 10. It was really good. Soft. Oh yeah. It was so good. It was so good. Right now, we're gonna go get our dessert at a convenience store. We're also gonna get our breakfast food for tomorrow. Look at your mint chocolate. And we got a ton of things, but for now, we're gonna eat our ice cream. We also got chicken and ASMR style. We're done with today. Tomorrow we're gonna transfer to. We're going back to Seoul. For what? Shopping. And night market. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh! Tons. So watch the next vlog for that. Like and subscribe, and be on the lookout for the next vlog. Bye bye. Woo!